Dumela magaetso dikgang ke tsa Setswana e tla re diale. Mokwadi wa Daily Maverick Louis o senetse gore go ne ga lekwa gore a newe madi a lekanang 60,000 rand ya pipa molomo ke motsamaisi wa Independent Development Trust IDT Tebogo Malaka le mmoledi wa gagwe Phasha Magolane mo maitekong a go kgoreletsa patlisiso ya bobodu. Kopano e neng e tshwere jaaka karolo ya patlisiso ya ga Mayback ka ga bobodu jo go tweng o bo dirile kwa IDT e ne ya fetoga ka tsela e neng e sa lebelelwa fa go begwa gore badiredi ba ne ba leka go mo didimatsa ka go mo naya madi ba sa itse gore motlotlo otlhe o ne o rekotiwa ka sephiri. Malaka ga jaana o ntse a batlisiswa mabapi le tlolomolao ya 836 million.
So you will advise me how we move forward.
Yes. So, okay, well, I think Pasha initiated the discussion with me. I think it was early June. And obviously at that point, I assume that's kind of the issue here is the waterfall house. I'm quite advanced with that, to be honest. I'll be frank with you.
I want it closed. I don't want you to be writing about it. I don't want anything more coming out of Please for a moment.
Yeah, no, sure. Let me give Pasha a call quickly. It's getting a little bit windier now.
But it's still not cold.
That's nice, yeah.
There.
Hey, Pasha.
We are done.
Yeah, your boss says you must come back.
After we'd spoken about the house and some other issues, Mokwadi and Malaka got down to the day's real business. The IDT spokesperson pulled out a white Dior shopping bag stuffed with 200 Rand notes and placed it on the table. This while his suspended boss sat looking on. I asked them how much money they bought for me and they said it was 60,000 Rand. But they also intimated that there would be more money coming my way if I dropped my investigation into Malaka's house. After the cash had been placed on the table, I casually photographed it for our records. Next, I duly informed Malaka and Mokwadi that I wouldn't be taking the alleged bribe after all. I told them that it had always been my intention to get them to present me with the cash and that I had never intended to take it. And then just like that, our meeting was over. I promptly stood up and left. Mokwadi and Malaka, meanwhile, were in a hurry to get out of there too. At roughly 2 p.m., they got up and left the restaurant area. So, what then of Malaka's waterfall property? The issue the IDT CEO so desperately wanted to bury.
For the IDT CEO, if he's implicated in bribing people or those implicated in corruption, the law must deal with it. It doesn't matter who they are. That's what is important. We must not philosophize about this.